Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Monopoly Go on your PC. So it's very easy and simple. So in order to download Monopoly Go on your PC, what you're gonna do is open up the Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in download Monopoly and hit the enter. Once you do that, click on the first link that is appeared on your screen, and then as you can see the download option right there, simply tap on it. Upon clicking that, your Monopoly Go will get installed on your PC. So that is how easily you can download Monopoly Go on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.